Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a review and unboxing of this Merece 3-in-1 soldering station. This is the, let's see here, ST2090D model. Bought this off Amazon because I wanted basically a soldering iron that I could control the temperature on, so that when I'm doing more, I need to do some delicate work. I have two TI-83s that need to be fixed, as well as this Nintendo Game Boy. So those are a little bit more delicate. So I wanted a soldering iron that I could control the temperature on. So let's unbox this, see what it looks like, and then we'll try it out, see if we like it. So I got this off Amazon. I think it was around 50 bucks. Maybe a little bit less, I don't remember. Got the manual, got some packaging. Looks, fairly well packaged. You got this thing. Some kind of like solder sucker. I've never really understood how to use these, but it does come with it. Let's see, let's get some scissors. That there. Here's the actual soldering iron station. So we got the soldering iron here. Looks pretty decent. Got a little comes with a little pad there. You can wipe it off. And then here's your temperature setting. Let's see how the quality of this plug is decent. And then it looks like here's the stand. Comes with some extra tips, which is nice, because I'll need those. Comes with some actual solder, which is nice. And it looks like we can set it up the stand here, so that we have all the pieces we need. It's got a sponge here. Doesn't seem to really fit. Or maybe, who knows what that's for. So it's not obvious as to how to set this up. Maybe if we take this out here, it'll become more obvious. Okay. So that slides into there. Let's see if we can get this put together here. That goes in there. Not quite sure what this piece is for yet. So I guess the key is, when you put this in there and it's hot, how do you keep it from touching the sides? And it looks like, okay. So when you put this in there, you just have to press it in pretty well. And then it shouldn't burn anything when it's hot. This, I think, attaches to the side somehow. I'm not sure where. The sponge is supposed to go. This is the handle for the top here. At least I think so, even though it just sort of slides in and out. Hopefully we can figure out how that works. Let's read the instruction manual. So it would have been nice if this came assembled. There's definitely some assembly required here. Let me see if I can, because this, it's kind of weird how it comes on and off there. So let me see if I can get this on there tighter. I suspect if I just tighten the screws on, it'll hold in better. Let me take a look here and get back with you guys. Okay, so I figured out this is like supposed to be a holder for the solder here. and it just doesn't seem to be very very good. I don't know if I'll use this part of the soldering iron station. Just because it seems like it's pretty hard to actually get this thing attached with the screws. So as you can see, you're like trying to kind of get a screwdriver in there. And the sponge it came with doesn't even really sit in there well. And then this thing, it seems like you can kind of pull it off easily. So I'll probably just tighten these screws down and act like that never really came with it. So let's try this thing out. See how it goes. I'm going to make a separate video fixing this calculator and this Game Boy. So if you're interested in seeing those, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let me go ahead and try and fix them, and I'll let you guys know how it works. Alright, so I have this soldering iron set to the lowest it'll go on the temperature gauge here is 176. Looks like the max that it goes to is 895, which would be way too hot for what I'm doing here. Basically, I just want this to be hot enough that it will heat up the adhesive on this calculator and fix the contacts, or make it contact better, and not melt the plastic. So we'll let this cool back down to 176 here, which it looks like it's doing fairly rapidly. We'll take out my soldering iron. And we have on here the like a flat tip with a little bevel there, which should be perfect for getting this to basically for what we need to here, which is press against this, press these contact points together, get everything heated up. But otherwise, yeah, pretty nice soldering station. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments below. I'll catch y'all next time.